All right, welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add citations to a Word document while we're typing, how to create a bibliography. You can do this automatically in Word, or you can also do it over in the Zotero program. So most of you will be doing it this way. When you're in Word, you'll go to that Zotero tab that appears in the ribbon, and you'll see some options up here in the top. I just pasted some text into a Word document, and then down below my last page of the document I do have my references ready to go for my references page. So the first thing is, let's say for this paragraph I need to put in a citation. You just want to go up to Add Edit Citation, and it's going to pop up this, and you're going to say yes, it's going to be APA, and just hit OK. And then it'll give you a little search box. And then you'll just search for the citation that belongs there. So I'm going to do a D. Let's see if anything comes up. Let's do this one. And you just hit enter. And here it is. Okay, so it popped that in for you. And if everything's correct in Zotero, then your in-text citation and your bibliography citation will be correct. So to add the bibliography that goes along with that, you'll go up here, you'll put your cursor at the end in your references page where you want it to live, and you'll do Add Edit Bibliography. And there you see it, added our little bibliography, okay? I didn't double check this one, so it's kind of strange. I think I may have, this might be actually pulling from the group libraries because you're pulling from there as well, okay? Now, if I go back up, and on my second paragraph, I add another citation. Let's do this one. There, I've added it. Now it's automatically adding the citation for the new one, and it put it in alphabetical order. So that's really nice. Now if that's the only time that your in-text citation appears in your document and you delete it, and you go back down and give it a refresh. Okay, well usually it will delete that for you. So that you're not looking at, they're connected. So you should be able to delete something and it'll delete it out of the list as well. I don't know why I didn't do it just then. It's interesting. All right, so we'll add one more just for the fun of it. Do we have an A1 in here? Sure. You can see it put it in alphabetical order. It's that easy, all right? So just make sure that when you're typing, you do the first one. It's Add Edit Citation for your in-text citation. Immediately go down to your references page and pop in the bibliography. And then after that, you only have to worry about the citation button. It will automatically populate the bibliography for you, okay? So that easy. Now the other method of building a bibliography is in the Zotero program, okay? And this might be if you need to make just a bibliography without a paper, maybe you want to make an annotated bibliography, this might be the method to go. So you don't have to go in and individually add them. You can just go into your Zotero, select everything that you want to be in your bibliography, and then you right-click on those selected items, and you go to Create Bibliography from Items. And you'll choose your citation style, and then you want to make sure that the output mode is bibliography, and the output method is Save as RTF. It should default to that. Don't change anything. Just hit OK, and it's going to pop up the screen for you to save it. So I'm going to go ahead and save it as 605. And it does need to be RTF. Do not change that. And hit save. All right. And so what that's done is it's saved it to my desktop. So I'll actually pull it over there and show you. So here it is. Okay, and it looks a little odd. It's not connected to like Word yet. Now when I open it, I already have told it to do this, so it's just going to open in Word. Oh, it didn't this time. That's kind of exciting. You can see how it works. So you can select Word, all right, and say this is the program that I use to read RTF, which is rich text files, okay, and hit OK, and it will open it in Word for you. So there is your citation, your bibliography, okay, that you could then, maybe add your annotations to, or just create and hand in. Make sure you add that references at the top. Okay, but there you go, easy as that. All right, if you have any questions about doing that, feel free to shoot me an email. I'd be happy to help you guys out. But have fun using Zotero to work on your projects this semester. Thanks.